Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best handheld oscilloscopes. Whether you're an electronics hobbyist, a student, or a professional technician, these portable digital oscilloscopes will make your measurements faster, easier, and more accurate. From budget-friendly options to feature-packed devices, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Item number 5. This 3-in-1 handheld device combines a digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator in one compact tool. It features a 3.2-inch IPS display, 120 MHz bandwidth, and 250 millisecond sampling rate. Dual-channel waveform analysis supports automatic, single, and normal triggers. The multimeter measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode, and continuity. The signal generator outputs sine, square, and triangle waves. With FFT spectrum, XY mode, waveform save, view, and auto manual adjustments, this multifunctional oscilloscope is perfect for electronics testing, troubleshooting, and repairs. Item number 4. The FNIRSI DS215H is a compact handheld oscilloscope designed for professionals and hobbyists. It features a 3.5-inch IPS display with 480 x 320 resolution, dual-channel operation, 50 MHz bandwidth, and a 250 ms/s real-time sampling rate for precise measurements. The device supports waveform storage, screenshot saving, and multiple signal generator outputs up to 50 kHz. With wide voltage protection, plus or 400 volts, adjustable duty cycle, and a 1,500 mAh battery offering up to 4 hours of use. It's ideal for portable electronics testing, maintenance, R&D, and troubleshooting. Item number 3. This multifunction handheld device combines a multimeter, oscilloscope, and signal generator in one compact tool, featuring 50 MHz dual-channel bandwidth, 200 to 280 ms/s, 3.5 to 4-inch IPS display, DC-AC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, diode, continuity measurement, auto normal single triggers, waveform storage, YT/XY roll modes, built-in sine, square, sawtooth pulse generator, and 3400 mAh battery with Type-C charging, perfect for portable electronics testing and troubleshooting. Item number 2. The FNIRSI DS0510 is a high-performance handheld oscilloscope designed for professionals and educational use. It features a 2.8-inch HD LCD screen, 320 by 240 resolution, 10 MHz bandwidth, and 48 ms/s real-time sampling for accurate signal measurements. The device supports single, normal, and auto trigger modes, along with a 50 kHz signal generator. It can measure voltages up to plus or minus 400 volts. One-click auto mode displays waveforms instantly, while the built-in 1000 mAh battery provides up to 4 hours of continuous use. Ideal for advanced repairs, development, and precise testing projects. Item number 1. This 3-in-1 handheld oscilloscope combines an oscilloscope, multimeter, and DDS signal generator with dual channels, 50 MHz bandwidth, 250 milliseconds per second real-time sampling, up to plus minus 400 volt. The 4.3-inch touchscreen supports waveform storage, export, and easy browsing. The signal generator outputs multiple waveforms, up to 10 MHz, with adjustable amplitude and duty cycle. The multimeter measures DC-AC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, diode, continuity. Powered by a 4,000 mAh lithium battery with Type-C charging, it's perfect for DIY projects. Which of these handheld oscilloscopes is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.